active minds, explorers, baby cockatiel. A tiny chick. Gum tree. In the trunk of an old gum tree, there is a small hole. Nest hole. The hole leads to a cozy nest. Inside the nest, a tiny fluffy chick has just hatched from its egg. Fluffy feathers. Chick. The baby bird cannot see, walk, or fly. Who does this little baby belong to? The tiny chick belongs to a mother and father cockatiel. Mother cockatiel. Eggs. The mother cockatiel laid 5 eggs in the nest. Actual egg size. Sometimes the father bird stands guard outside the nest. Father cockatiel. The parent birds take turns sitting on the eggs and keeping them warm. Now a chick has hatched from one of the eggs. The hungry chick begs his mom and dad for food. The parent birds eat seeds. Then they spit up the mushy seeds into the chick's tiny beak. Father cockatiel. Beak. A 1-day-old cockatiel chick. Soon, the little chick is not alone. His brothers and sisters hatch from their eggs too. 4-day-old chicks. The hungry babies wait in the nest for their parents to bring them food. A father cockatiel looking for seeds. Crest. A 10-day-old chick. Spikes. After 12 days, the chick's eyes are open and his fluffy yellow feathers are falling out. Growing from his body are tiny gray spikes that will become new feathers. A little crest sprouts from his head. Crest. Feathers. Father cockatiel. He doesn't look much like his father, but he soon will. When the chick is 15 days old, he is nearly as big as his mom and dad. A 15-day-old chick. Wing. Feathers. Tiny feathers sprout from the spikes on his body. He practices flapping his little wings. Mother cockatiel. When the chick is 4 weeks old, he has feathers and can fly. A 4-week-old chick. He leaves the nest to explore with his brothers and sisters. An 8-week-old chick. Father cockatiel. At 8 weeks old, the chick looks just like a grown-up. Now he is ready to leave his parents and take care of himself. Cockatiels live in large groups called flocks. The young bird lives in a flock with lots of other cockatiels. A 6-month-old cockatiel. By the time he is 6 months old, he has yellow feathers on his head. When he is 18 months old, the cockatiel finds a mate. Now he is ready to be a father. Together, the pair of cockatiels will raise chicks of their own. Male cockatiel. Female cockatiel. Fact file. All about cockatiels. A cockatiel is a type of small parrot. Wild cockatiels eat seeds from grasses and other plants. They also eat berries. Many people raise cockatiels as pets. An adult cockatiel weighs about 3 ounces, 85 grams. This picture shows a life-size adult male cockatiel. Where do cockatiels live? The red area shows where cockatiels live. Cockatiels live wild in Australia. They live on grasslands and farmland. They also live in woodlands, parks, and gardens. This picture shows a life-size cockatiel egg compared to a chicken egg. It takes about 18 days for a cockatiel chick to grow inside its egg. This picture shows a 1-day-old cockatiel chick. It is real life-size. The tiny chick weighs the same as a quarter. Glossary. Crest. A tuft of feathers, fur, or skin on the head of an animal. Flock. A large group of birds of the same kind that fly or live together. Hatched. Broke out of an egg. Mate. An animal's partner with which it has babies.